Good day, everybody. Kevin Baylor, CTO and Managing Partner of Alliance IT. Hope everyone's doing well, enjoying the weather. Today I want to take a moment and talk a little bit about compliance. Now that may or may not apply to you, whether you're in healthcare, manufacturing, finance, education, whatever vertical market your business is in, you may or may not have varying degrees of compliance needs. HIPAA, PCI, GDPR, blah, 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 right? So let's take a look at what Microsoft has done to help us stay in compliance. And again, remember that these are guidelines and these are templates, and it's an insight only into your Microsoft tenant, the Microsoft ecosystem, and any data or apps that you may have linked into that this can pertain to. So you're going to go to compliance.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft credentials. If you don't have access to that, you may want to reach out to your IT admin, network admin, Office 365 admin, somebody that may have access to that, or they can walk through it with you as well. Once you've gotten there, and Microsoft is already reminding that we can improve your compliance posture. These little tidbits will pop up depending on what your score is and what compliance that you need to worry about. If it's GDPR, you're going to have certain sets of criteria. If it's HIPAA, it's PCI, SOC 1, those are all going to have different policies that this is going to be judged off of. You can pop into Compliance Manager, and it's going to give you a quick overview of all the little pieces that it's looking at, the scores and percentages associated to those, and your areas of improvement. And again, not all these areas of improvement may pertain to you, or the risk versus reward may not be there as well. That's something you have to sit down and evaluate and review and apply what is appropriate to your organization. And as you look at each of these sections, it will provide you some additional detail as to what you may need to look at, whether it's regarding Cloud App Security, Azure, Active Directory. And then if you need to apply additional assessments, you can do that as well. Maybe you've got another company and GDPR applies to them. You can go in and add those assessments so that you now look at those policies across your organization as a whole and not just that one entity. There's a lot out there with this. There's a lot of reports you can run as well when you get into those fun things such as audits to help understand what's in compliance and what's not. Any questions? Contact your IT administrator, your Office 365 admin, or your compliance manager. Have a great day, folks.